Imagine stepping into your garden and picking fresh herbs to soothe stress, boost immunity, or aid digestion. Growing your own herbal medicine puts natural healing at your fingertips, with plants like chamomile for relaxation, peppermint for digestion, and echinacea for immunity. Whether you have a backyard or just a windowsill, cultivating these powerful remedies is easier than you think. Ready to turn seeds into healing solutions? Let's explore how to grow your own herbal medicine at home. Today, we will talk about from seed to remedy, growing your own herbal medicine at home. So before we get started, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to my channel. Imagine stepping outside, breathing in the fresh air, and picking fresh, aromatic herbs right from your own garden, not just for cooking, but for healing. Imagine having a natural remedy at your fingertips for stress relief, immune support, better sleep, and more. Growing your own medicinal herbs is one of the most rewarding and empowering things you can do. Instead of relying on store-bought supplements or over-the-counter medicines that often contain additives, preservatives, and synthetic ingredients, you can cultivate your own pure, potent herbal medicine, completely natural and full of life. This isn't just about gardening. It's about reconnecting with nature, reclaiming control over your health, and rediscovering ancient wisdom that has been used for thousands of years. And the best part, you don't need a huge garden, a green thumb, or even much experience to get started. In today's video, we're diving deep into the art and science of growing your own herbal medicine. By the end, you'll know exactly how to plant, care for, and prepare your herbs, turning simple seeds into powerful remedies for your mind, body, and spirit. So grab a cup of tea, get comfortable, and let's explore the magic of homegrown herbal medicine. Why growing your own herbal medicine is a game changer. There's something incredibly powerful about growing your own medicine. Instead of reaching for a plastic bottle filled with mass-produced supplements, you can harvest fresh, vibrant herbs directly from the soil. These plants are alive, full of nutrients, and deeply connected to your environment. When you grow your own herbs, you know exactly what's going into your remedies. No pesticides, no chemicals, just pure natural healing. Beyond that, gardening itself is a form of medicine. Studies show that spending time with plants can reduce stress, improve mood, and enhance overall well-being. There's something deeply soothing about tending to a garden, watching plants grow, and knowing that each leaf and flower carries powerful healing properties. And here's the amazing thing. You don't need a farm or even a backyard. Medicinal herbs can be grown in small spaces, balconies, windowsills, and even indoors. The key is choosing the right plants, understanding their needs, and knowing how to use them once they're ready for harvest. Choosing the best herbs for your medicinal garden. When starting out, it's easy to feel overwhelmed by the sheer number of medicinal herbs out there. The good news: many of the most powerful healing plants are also the easiest to grow. Some herbs thrive in outdoor gardens, while others do well in pots, vertical planters, or even inside your kitchen. Many medicinal plants are incredibly resilient and require very little care. The best part is that most herbs serve multiple purposes. A single plant can be used to make teas, tinctures, infused oils, or even natural skincare products. And because they're fresh, they're far more potent than dried herbs that have been sitting in a store for months. Whether you want to support digestion, boost immunity, relieve stress, or improve sleep, there's an herb for that. And the more you grow, the more you'll discover how nature provides exactly what we need to thrive. Planting and caring for your herbs. Once you've chosen your herbs, it's time to plant them. Whether you're using garden beds, pots, or small containers, the most important factors are sunlight, soil quality, and watering consistency. Most medicinal herbs prefer well-draining soil, and at least 6 growing herbs is difficult. But the truth is, most medicinal plants are hardy and thrive with very little maintenance. In fact, many herbs, like thyme, oregano, and rosemary, actually prefer slightly dry conditions and will flourish with minimal watering. Another thing to consider is companion planting. Some herbs grow better when planted together. For example, basil and chamomile enhance each other's flavors and medicinal properties, while lavender helps repel pests naturally. If you live in a colder climate, you can still grow herbs year-round by using indoor pots, hydroponic systems, or even small greenhouses. With just a little effort, you can have a continuous supply of healing plants right at your fingertips. Harvesting and preserving your herbs. Once your plants are thriving, the next step is knowing when and how to harvest them to maximize their medicinal power. The best time to harvest herbs is in the morning, after the dew has dried, but before the sun gets too hot. This ensures that the plants retain their essential oils and active compounds. For leafy herbs like mint, basil, and lemon balm, regular trimming encourages more growth and keeps the plants producing all season long. For flowering herbs like chamomile or lavender, harvesting the blooms at peak freshness ensures the most potent remedies. After harvesting, the next step is preserving your herbs for long-term use. Drying herbs is one of the simplest and most effective ways to store them. You can hang small bundles upside down in a dry, dark place, or use a dehydrator or oven on a low setting. Properly dried herbs can last for months or even years if stored in airtight glass jars away from sunlight and heat. This allows you to have a natural pharmacy at home, ready whenever you need it, transforming your herbs into natural remedies. Now comes the most exciting part, turning your herbs into powerful natural remedies that support your health and well-being. There are endless ways to use medicinal plants, depending on what you need. One of the easiest ways is herbal tea. Simply steep fresh or dried herbs in hot water for 5 to 10 minutes, strain, and enjoy. Herbal teas are excellent for relaxation, digestion, immunity, and more. For a more concentrated remedy, tinctures are a great option. Tinctures are herbal extracts made by soaking herbs in alcohol or glycerin for several weeks. They are highly potent and can be used in small doses to support various health concerns. If you love natural skincare, herbs can also be infused into oils, balms, and salves to create soothing remedies for skin irritations, cuts, and burns. The beauty of herbal medicine is that it's highly customizable. You can mix and match herbs to create personalized blends that fit your needs perfectly. The power of growing your own herbal medicine. Growing medicinal herbs is more than just gardening. It's a return to nature, a journey of self-sufficiency, and a way to deepen your connection with the earth. There's something truly special about walking outside, picking a fresh leaf, and knowing that this plant has the power to heal and nourish your body. Anyone can do it. Whether you have a large backyard or just a sunny windowsill, you can start growing herbs today and experience the magic of homegrown medicine. Thanks for tuning in to Herb Haven TV. If you enjoyed this video and want more amazing content on all things herbs, health, and wellness, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and share this video with your friends. Also, join our community on Telegram. Link is in the description below for exclusive tips and updates you won't want to miss. Stay healthy, stay natural, and we'll see you in the next video.